Right. We are heading into a building that I forgot the name of, but I believe it says on the outside. We're with Genesee Trains and Elevators. It is 100 Madison, and it appears to still be original.
What's outdoors? Oh, nice. Rolled over.
Call button's burned out.
What kind of buttons?
It's got the older white traditional that mechanically pushes in.
Nice. Oh, cool. You mind fine?
Sure. All right. Send it to 3.
Miami elevator. Did you just recently find this?
This has been known about for a couple of years.
Cool, it's still here. People do enjoy it.
All right, send it down.
I like those buttons.
Me too. Here's a cab view. There's Alex.
Hello there.
There are your buttons. Very 1970s looking cab. We'll take it for one more ride. This time we'll be quiet so we can hear the motor.
Oh, cool, I can hear the relays.
Yep. All right, listen.
Get a picture of COD.
There's a call button.
Yep, there she is.
1.
Okay.
What do you think?
Pretty nice. Not the most thrilling, but definitely cool.
We'll send it up once we get down and we'll listen to it go up. Here we are. All right, listen. Oh, I didn't really hear the relay that time. You can hear it though from over here though. All right, listen. There it goes. Listen. And anyway, there it goes, and that will be it.